In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make TradingView full screen, the 2025 guide. In this step-by-step tutorial, we'll go over the simple process that allows you to maximize your TradingView experience by using the full screen feature. This can be particularly useful when you need to focus on charts without any distractions, enhancing your trading analysis and making navigation on the platform more straightforward. First, the starting point is to open TradingView in your preferred web browser. TradingView is a web-based platform, so you'll need an internet connection and a browser. Just type in the TradingView URL and you'll land right on the home page. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to get access to the full trading features. Next up, once you've logged into TradingView, you need to select the market or assets you want to view. Whether you're into stocks, cryptocurrencies, commodities, or Forex, TradingView supports it all. Navigate through their comprehensive list of trading pairs and options to choose the one you're interested in. This step is pretty straightforward, but if you're a new user, take a little time to explore the variety of options available, as it will enrich your trading experience. After selecting your desired market or assets, scroll down a little bit and look for an option that says Launch Full Chart View. It's usually one of the prominent features displayed as you explore a specific asset's page. Click on it, and this action will take you into a more detailed view of the selected market or asset's chart. Now on to the final and most important step. Once you're in the full chart view, there's an option labeled Full Screen Mode that you'll need to click on. This option is usually located around the top right corner of the chart view interface. By expanding to a full screen, you'll notice that your screen becomes occupied entirely with the chart, removing any clutter such as sidebars or tabs. You'll find this view most beneficial for in-depth analysis, as now you can delve right into the intricate details of market movements undistracted. And don't worry, if you ever need to exit the full screen mode, it's just as easy. You can do so by simply pressing the escape key on your keyboard. This will bring you back to the regular view where you might have other tools or information panels that you routinely use for trading. So there you have it, a simple way to make the most out of your TradingView sessions with the full screen view. This comprehensive screen maximization aids traders in keeping their focus razor sharp while enhancing their ability to scrutinize the charts. Happy trading, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on maximizing your trading toolkit.